Right, so this is this week's Trades of the Week for the week ending the 29th of March 2019. Just a few trades to go through this week. Been relatively quiet for closed out trades because we've not been taking sterling trades over the last few days. Obviously, a lot of Brexit news, a lot of erratic market behavior, so the number of trades has been a bit lighter than usual. But I'm going to start off with dollar yen, US dollar against the Japanese yen, which was a trade from the 20th of March, hit target a few days later. Not a huge winner for us, but a winner nonetheless, hitting our target of 53 points. So a nice profit there. And of course, 53 more points than we had the week before. So all good, really. Indicators there rotating from green to red, rotating down, giving us that sell trade. The big disc on the chart there as well, highly visual, clearly identifying that selling trade opportunity there. What we can also see as well over the last few days is euro dollar, sorry. So euro dollar, that sell trade from the 22nd of March. Not looking at the buy trade, we're looking at this sell trade here, rotating down. This is what we call a continuation trade. So what we're doing here is moving back in line with those longer term trends, turning down on this line here, the vector average, turning down on this line at the bottom there. This is what we call the trend signal line, in line with those longer term trends. Look on the left hand side, look at those arrows, the downtrend on the weekly, downtrend on the monthly, so the longer term trends down. So we're resuming that longer term strong trend direction, and the market subsequently falling to our target there. Again, not big, but a lot of lower volatility around on a lot of those currency markets. An ATR of just 67 points. That was our target, 67 pips, hitting target over 3 or 4 trading days. So a nice winner for us there too. And then finally, really the big point winner for the week was on the DAX there, and the short from the 21st of March, falling quite aggressively over the first day or two for a nice profit there. This was a 171 point profit. Really nice, hitting that target very, very quickly indeed after that sell trade there again. Just like that dollar yen trade, indicators rotating from green to red, big disc on the chart there, highly visual, very clear to identify that trading opportunity. So just a few trades to have a look at there, but some decent profits over the last few days and some nice winners there. And for more of the same, everybody, have a look and tune into next week's Trades of the Week. But in the meantime, if you want to learn more about the strategies, stop placement, target placement, then tune into one of our free live trading webinars. We host 2 or 3 a week, and you can find out probably somewhere on this page a link to register and book your own free place there, where we'll teach you the specifics for the strategy, the exact rules for entering the trades, where we place stops, where we place targets, how we manage those trades as well. So it's a great webinar to come along to, and you'll learn a lot. So register, and hopefully we'll see you online. But until then, bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.